Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we're just going to finally do an update for the finished product. I've actually got one of the Turbopowers finished.
The one.
This is the Turbopower
One.
Hoover Turbopower Freedom, the one I put on a few weeks ago.
Season 1.
And look at it now, compare what it was like.
It's a Hoover Turbopower 1.
It's got like a glossy,
It's a Hoover Turbopower 1 season.
as you can see. Yes, it's a Hoover Turbopower Freedom. The Freedom models which were bagless.
The one.
There was no paper bags. Now, one of the things that was wrong with
The one.
yes, it's a Hoover Turbopower 1 Freedom. Total system.
Total system.
Right, now, back to this one. The only bit I haven't replaced is this little flap here. I could get one from hoover.com, but I'm guessing that they're probably going to send me a black one. So we didn't bother.
The back door, the back door.
You can get them from like your spares and they sell black ones, but I'm not too sure. I don't really want to spend about £15 on one and have a black one turn up. So we're going to show them the perma bag now.
There's the perma bag.
This is the perma bag.
This is what's called the perma bag.
It's, you know, out of the way. There it is. There's the... I've put a bit of the old furniture polish on it.
And it's got the little wiper
Perma bag system. This is perma bag system 1. They did a perma bag system 2 on the Turbopower 2s and 3s. Because now I'm going to show you how to open out the perma bag. I'm going to show them this brand. One of the things that's up with it, the other one, the filter's perished. And I managed to get
That's got undone.
It's always going to have dirt in it. This is a brand new filter, genuine Hoover part. It was blowing out. The other thing that was wrong with it,
It's got some dust.
I don't know if you can see the little screw in there. This thing here had snapped inside, and I had to sort of practice fitting it and get the screw in the right, get this bit here because it snapped in the right place now, so it's now pretty much airtight now.
How to get the power bounce?
Well, we're not going to do that now. We're just going to put it back together now.
And this is what we got with this rubber thing.
It's generally in very good condition. It runs
Scaper thing.
really well.
It's got all those. Don't turn it on.
Hang on, I'll show them the. We'll do that in a minute. What we're going to do now is have a quick look at the rating plate again. Does it want to go all the way down? No. Oh, there's a rating plate again.
It's one double.
It's not. Push it down there, mate. There it is. That's good. Yeah.
It's our pen, a Hoover pen back.
So it's a U2662. 1991. So it's the 8th. So that's August, I think.
It's got a handle.
August to July. So it's the 2nd of the 8th, 1991.
Right.
That's how you.
Look, got a handle on the back.
Yeah, and here's the instructions for it as well. On the back of it. There we go. Shows you to tap the filter out. There's a little slider on it, on the front of it.
Yeah.
That way it's supposed to wiggle the filter. It doesn't seem to do much, does it, Carl?
No.
I think
Single
Baziak's got the video showing that one, hasn't he? But it's the Turbomaster. But this is the top of the range Hoover Turbopower 1. Innit, Carl? It's just the all singing, all dancing. The perma bag isn't particularly a very good system. Well, this one isn't. And I think a lot of other people would tend to agree with me. But it is back to its former glory. This one, because it was wrapped properly, the wheels are still intact. I have actually what have we done? We've actually finished the other turbo power, so we're actually going to be showing this one in about 4 weeks' time. The other turbo power. That one's all working now. And put it on the carpet then. As this is the dirty fan variant, it will mash that to bits, and Carl's put it in a lump again. Right, I'm going to turn it around now.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Go on then. Fire this one up now then.
I'll do it in.
Is it 2-speed as well, isn't it, this one?
Yeah, it's a 2-speed.
Show them the 2-speed then. It's 2-speed. Go on then, put it on then.
I thought what number 1.
Done? Well, there we have it. There.
I want to show them the
Go on then.
that.
Yeah, I had to replace the belt on it.
How? Purpose.
I had to replace the belt on it and the bulb. But the top of these covers come off with 3 screws.
It's neat.
And as you can see,
It's
it is leaked. But as you see, it's only a collector's item. We're not worried about it. You know, we have got modern vacuum cleaners as well in the house.
yes.
So we have got sealed, bagless ones and all this other sort of ones. So we've got plenty of tools to actually use. But it is a lovely collector's piece.
Look. It's just the shirt is a bit dirty. Look, it's even got the stuff.
Yeah, that's what it's pulled out the carpet, mate. Stick that back on the floor then.
And show them what it did. What it
See if it's
did!
actually gone in there.
Oh, this is what the normal turbo power will pick up the
I'll
carpet.
say,
This is
but-
what the normal Hoover turbo power.
turbo powers do have they do leak anyway.
That's how that's supposed out in the normal one too.
See, that's what it's done there.
And that's how that's just going to power out in the normal one.
Right.
We got one.
So, what do you say now?
Boo, boo, boo.
Please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8. We're going to put this one back in. I'm now going to get a modern cleaner and actually clean it all up
And
again.
look what I did.
So it's looking pristine.
Shake
Yeah.
it.
It doesn't do a lot, but yeah.
Oh look, it's got some in there and it's escaped off the
See, it has shook it out then, so it does actually work. It's not just a
It goes
gimmick.
on the scheme. It goes all on that little scheme.
So like I say, I'll see you again in about 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, I did on it.
Every 2 weeks we're going to do videos at the, well, we are, that's our new setting. There are plenty of people doing videos out there. So, you know, we're going to do videos every 2 weeks. There's plenty of channels to watch. You know, I should imagine you've got one for every day of the week, I think we have now. Or, because we've done over 90 videos, haven't we? I think this is the 92nd video or something. And so like I say, so I'll see you in 2 weeks. Tree will be up properly,
And all the outdoors.
and all the outdoor ones as well. Yeah, we're doing outdoor one as well.
The outdoor video.
So what do you say now?
Yeah.
Bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8.
Oh, dirty.
Like I say,
And I got
4
the
weeks
nail
time we'll
cut.
have the other turbo power, the first turbo power,
I can't say the
finally
bar.
finished.
I got the nail cut kisses.
So bye.